First question here is find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x equals to 0, x equals to minus 1 and at x equals to 2. So simply put 0 wherever x is written. पॉलिनोमियल में जहाँ जहाँ x लिखा है उस जगह हमने क्या पुट कर दिया पहले 0. 5 multiplied by 0 0, 4 multiplied by 0 0, so the value that we get is 3. Next is find the value at x equals to minus 1. So simply put x equals to minus 1 in the given polynomial. 5x minus 4x square plus 3. When I am going to put minus 1, the result will be 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. Minus 1 square will be 1 and 4 into 1 will be 4 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3, which will give us minus 6. Next we have to find the value at x equals to 2. So put in place of x 2 in the given polynomial. So what we are going to get is 5 multiplied by 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 2s are 10. Square of 2 will be 4 plus 3. 10 minus 16 plus 3. 10 minus 16 will be minus 6 and minus 6 plus 3 is going to give us. This question is find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. What does 0, 1 and 2 denotes here? This means what we have to do is put the value of variable as 0 and find the value of polynomial. Next put the value of variable as 1 and find the value of the given polynomial. So let's start doing this. First polynomial is y square minus y plus 1. When I am going to put 0 in this polynomial, it will become 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So what I will get is 1. Next, when I am going to put 1 in the polynomial, it will become 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. The value will be 1. When I am going to put 2 in the polynomial, it will become 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Square of 2 will be 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will become 3. Next polynomial is x cube. When I am going to put 0, it will become 0 cube. The cube of 0 is 0. When I am going to put 1, it will become 1 cube. The cube of 1 is 1. When I am going to put 2, it will become 2 cube. And the cube of 2 is 8. Next is 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. When I am going to put 0 in this, it will become 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. Cube of 0 will be 0. So our answer will be 2. When I am going to put 1 in the polynomial, it will become 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Square of 1 will be 1. Cube of 1 will be 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. The plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out. Answer will be 2 plus 2, 4. When I am going to put 2 in the given polynomial, it will become 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. The square of 2 will become 4. The cube of 2 will become 8. So 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 8. 8 and 8 will cancel out. The answer left is 4. The next polynomial is x minus 1 into x plus 1. When I am going to put 0 in this, it will become 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. Minus 1 into 1 will become minus 1. When I am going to put 1, it will become 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. And anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. When I am going to put 2, it will become 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 3 will be 3. Next question is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. So when we will say that it is a zero, let's say on putting the value of x equals to minus 1 by 3, if I get the result as 0, then I will say that it is the zero of the polynomial, because on putting x equals to minus 1 by 3, I am getting as 0. If I will not get 0, this is not the zero of the polynomial. So simply put x equals to minus 1 by 3 in the given polynomial. 3 cut, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Since I get 0 here, it is the zero of the polynomial. When I am going to put x equals to 4 by 5 in the given polynomial, what I am going to get is 5 cancel, 4 minus pi. It is not equals to 0, so it is not a zero of the polynomial. Next is px equals to x square minus 1, and we have to check both at x equals to 1 and minus 1. When I am going to put x equals to 1, it will become 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. When I am going to put x equals to minus 1, it will become minus 1 square minus 1. Square of minus 1 will also be 1, and 1 minus 1 0. In both the cases, I got the answer as 0. So these both are the zeros of the given polynomial. Next, I have to check x plus 1, x minus 2 at x equals to minus 1 and 2. When I am going to put x equals to minus 1, it will become minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 will turn out to be 0, and anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. When I am going to put x equals to 2, it will become 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. This is 0, and anything multiplied by 0 is 0. In both the cases, I got the answer as 0, so these both are zeros of the polynomial. Next case is px equals to x square, and I have to check at x equals to 0. The square of 0 will be 0, so yes, 0 is a zero of this polynomial. Next is px equals to lx plus m, and I have to check at x equals to minus m by l. When I am going to put minus m by l in the given polynomial, what I am going to get is l multiplied by minus m by l plus m. L cancel out, minus m plus m will become 0. So yes, x equals to minus m by l is a zero of the given polynomial. Next, I have to check for the polynomial at px equals to 3x square minus 1 at x equals to minus 1 by root 3 and at x equals to 2 by root 3. When I am going to put the value of x as minus 1 by root 3, it will become 3 into minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1. The square of root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into minus 1 by root 3. Minus minus will become plus, and root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 3 cancel out. 1 minus 1 will become 0. So yes, minus 1 by root 3 is a zero of the polynomial. When I am going to put x equals to 2 upon root 3, it will become 3 into 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. Square of 2 upon root 3 will be 2 into 2, 4, and root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 3 cancel out. 4 minus 1 will give 3, which is not equals to 0. So it is not the zero of the given polynomial. Next is 2x plus 1, and I have to check at x equals to 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. 1 plus 1 will give me 2, which is not equals to 0. So it is also not a zero of the polynomial. Next question is, find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. When are we going to say that the given number is a zero of the polynomial? When on putting the value of the x, we get the resultant as 0. x की जिस वैल्यू पे हमें इस लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का आंसर 0 मिले, हम उसी को जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल कहते हैं. So what we are going to do is, we start by assuming that we will get the answer as 0. On changing the side from RHS to LHS, the sign will change from positive to negative. So the value at which this polynomial will become 0 is x equals to minus 5. So x equals to minus 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Similarly, we can solve the other. What we have to do is equate the polynomial to 0, and on changing the sign will change. It is going to become 0 at x equals to 5. Similarly, equate 2x plus 5 equals to 0. The sign of plus 5 will change to minus 5. 2 is in multiplication with the variable, so it will come in the divide. At x equals to minus 5 by 2, the value of the polynomial will be 0. In the case of 3x minus 2, minus 2 will become positive 2. X is in multiplication with the 3, so on changing the side, 3 will go in the division. So x equals to 2 by 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Next is 3x. 3x equals to 0. 0 divided by 3 will be 0. So the 0 of the polynomial is x equals to 0. Similarly, for ax, x equals to 0 is the answer. In the case of polynomial cx plus d, we will start by assuming it or equating it with 0. When d's will go on the right hand side, the sign will change from positive to negative. C is in multiplication with the variable, so it will go on division. So x equals to minus d by c is the 0 of the given polynomial.